This here's the Toshiba 55-inch class C350 series Smart Fire TV. So I'm going to start off by showing you the remote. It's a very simple, small remote here. And you would simply start off by turning it on right there on the top left. Cool thing is this is an Alexa button, so you can actually speak to the TV. And this is the main screen. So now you will navigate here. This will be a left, up, right, and down. And then you press the middle if you want to select something. And as you can see, bring it a little closer, zoom in. And first thing I'm going to go to is inputs right there. That there is my HDMI 3, which is where my cable's hooked up. Here I have, I believe, gaming hooked up. And here I think is more gaming. I like to game. And this is the basic antenna. That's if you just wanted to hook a basic cable up to your TV. And this is the composite, which is the AV red, yellow, and white wires. Typically, you don't need that anymore, really, either, because everything's more HDMI based these days. And in here is my stuff. So basically, it tells all the stuff that I like to watch here. Purchases and rentals. Just a regular home screen. Now you got all your apps here as well. And this TV is a nice responsive TV. It's quick, has a great screen. If you want to go into your settings, you just go all the way to the right here. Next to that is actually your selection of apps. And you can go to check out your apps as well. And then it'll bring up an entire list of all your apps right there. And then I will just hit this here to return and back out. And now let's go to settings. Notifications usually just tells you if there was an update or something. As you can tell, I have 9 of them. I don't check them that often. This is the profiles, how many Amazon profiles you have hooked up to the TV. Account profile settings, your network, that's where you hook up your Wi-Fi. This is where you can hook up different controllers or different Bluetooth devices. Like if you want to do a Bluetooth speaker, which is pretty cool. Your apps, your display and sounds, your preferences. So we can just click on that for an example. This is where your parental controls are, privacy settings, data usage monitoring, time zone. You have a sleep timer, your device's software. This usually, say if it starts running slow for whatever reason, you can always just restart it right here. And this here is if you want to reset it to factory defaults, which obviously I wouldn't recommend unless you're really trying to clean up everything. And then you just have Alexa there. But you have the button as well, so you don't really need that. But I think if anything on this, you could set some more stuff up. You could look into the Alexa app here as well. And it tells you about the app. That's all it really is. And then I'm just going to go back home again. So it's a great TV. I'm happy with it. I love the small remote. Everything's nice and confined, and no issues with this TV whatsoever. It's a great TV.